In this video, we will share with you 8 nifty life hacks that can make senior living better and safer. These 8 nifty life hacks are not in order of importance. Each is equally useful and beneficial. So let's get started. Having trouble remembering things? Incorporating simple organization and recall techniques into daily life can help to boost memory as we stimulate the brain with sensory cues to keep it active. Here are 2 effective ways that can help you remember things. First, use voice recording to set reminders for yourself. Or simply snap a photo and save to remember for later. You can download and use Google Keep on Android and iPhone, or Notes app on iPhone only. Taking photos or using voice memo can help you to remember where you parked your vehicle and remind you on the items you would need to buy to restock your fridge. Next, was there a time when you cannot find where your items are placed in the fridge? We all have been there. There is an easy solution for this. Try to store the things in labeled containers. In fact, you can also do the same by using labeled containers to store things in your cupboards or on the shelves. Your days can be more pleasant if you can avoid the frustration of not finding what you're looking for and have more time for other better things in life. Speaking of better things in life, technology has indeed made lives better for many of us. As we stay connected using the internet and embrace the digital age, we can also be smarter and safer when we use technology. Do you have difficulty reading your small phone screen? You can actually make the text bigger by adjusting its size. On your phone, go to your settings. Then look for General in iPhone or Display if you're using Android phone. Then Accessibility in iPhone or Text Size on Android. From here, you can proceed to adjust to your preferred font size following the available setup features on your phone. Let's move on to number 4. Do you know that you can get quick answers to questions you have with a virtual assistant? You can ask about anything such as today's weather forecast, travel directions, play videos, or even give a call to someone. You can even have a chat with the virtual assistant if you feel like it. To do so, use Siri on iPhone or download Google Assistant on your mobile phone. Then just speak to it or simply type your questions. Give it a try. Number 5 is surf internet safely. These days, we use the internet to access information, download files, buy stuff online, subscribe to services, or join online communities. But how do we know whether it's safe to surf a website or share personal information on a website? One way is to look at the website address bar. A website that starts with HTTPS, in which S stands for secure, means that data exchanged between your computer or mobile phone and the website is encrypted or protected. You can also know that a website is more secured when you see a padlock on the address bar. Today, when you surf the internet, you'll still come across many unsecured websites. As a good practice, whenever you see a site that does not have the HTTPS or the padlock sign, avoid sharing personal information or credit card information. Let's move on to things that make life a lot easier at home. Here are 3 easy DIY or do-it-yourself solutions that you can use for home. At number 6, use organizers to neatly keep your medications. This also helps you make sure that you are taking the correct medications or vitamins at the right times of the day. You can use inexpensive plastic containers or shoe boxes to keep medicine organized. Number 7. Make your own ice pack. There are times when you need to use ice pack to help reduce swelling, ache, and pain. While you may purchase ice pack from pharmacies, you can also create your own ice pack using a wet sponge or towel. Just place a wet sponge or towel in a plastic bag and put it in a freezer. It's a great way to make an ice pack, and it will not leak once the ice melts. Best of all, it is low cost. Lastly, at number 8, do you have a favorite mug of glass that you drink from? You want to make sure that you always have a firm grip each time so that it does not slip and break. Simply take a few rubber bands and wrap them around the mug or cup. You can even do the same for your cutlery. The rubber bands will help you get a good grip. This way, you minimize the risk of your precious mug slipping off your hands when using them. There you have it, 8 nifty life hacks for seniors. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you do, please share it around. Continue your learning journey with National Silver Academy. For more tips to improve your daily life, you can consider taking up in-depth courses on memory techniques preventing dementia, IT, and more. National Silver Academy has a wide range of learning opportunities for seniors aged 50 and above. Visit www.nsa.org.sg to find out more.